Most drivers think spark plugs are either working or they are not. The engine starts, the car moves, no warning lights appear, everything seems fine. But mechanics see a different story. Engines can develop expensive problems because of one mistake so common that most owners never realize they are making it. And the scary part is that the engine often continues running normally for thousands of miles while the damage quietly builds. Here is the truth. The spark plug mistake that catches more drivers than almost anything else is not buying the wrong brand. It is not using cheap fuel. It is not even installing them incorrectly. It is ignoring spark plug replacement intervals because the engine still feels fine. That small delay can quietly affect combustion, fuel economy, ignition coils, carbon buildup, and even repair bills worth thousands of dollars. Because a spark plug does not suddenly fail. It slowly drifts out of specification, and that is exactly where the problem begins. A spark plug is one of the hardest working components inside your engine. Every minute you drive, each spark plug may fire hundreds or even thousands of times, day after day, year after year. Its job sounds simple. Create a spark, ignite the air-fuel mixture, start combustion. But a spark plug does more than ignite fuel. It influences combustion quality thousands of times every minute. When combustion is stable, the engine runs smoothly. Power delivery stays predictable. Fuel burns efficiently. Emissions remain controlled. Internal temperatures stay balanced. But when spark plugs age beyond their intended service life, those combustion events slowly become less consistent. Not enough to leave you stranded. Not enough to trigger immediate panic. Just enough to shift the entire engine away from optimal operation. That is why so many owners miss the warning signs. Because the change happens gradually. Very gradually, the engine still starts every morning. The vehicle still gets you to work. Everything feels normal. Until one day, it does not. Section 1. Why most drivers never notice the problem. When spark plugs age, they rarely stop working overnight. Instead, the electrodes slowly wear away. The gap gradually becomes larger. The spark must jump a greater distance. Ignition becomes less efficient, and the engine control module begins compensating. Modern vehicles are extremely good at hiding small problems. Fuel trims adjust. Timing changes. Throttle behavior adapts. The engine constantly works behind the scenes to maintain smooth operation. That is why drivers often ignore aging spark plugs for years. The car still feels acceptable. Not perfect, but acceptable. And that is exactly what makes this mistake dangerous. By the time obvious symptoms appear, several other systems may already be working harder than they should. The engine was warning the driver. The driver simply did not recognize the warning. Section 2. What happens inside the engine? Inside each cylinder, the spark plug ignites a carefully measured mixture of air and fuel. The flame spreads across the combustion chamber. Pressure rises. The piston moves downward. Power is created, simple, but only when the spark happens correctly. A healthy spark plug creates a consistent ignition source. Every cycle behaves predictably. Cylinder pressure remains balanced. Combustion stays efficient. As spark plugs age, ignition becomes less stable. Sometimes the spark is slightly weaker. Sometimes the fuel mixture does not burn as completely as intended. The driver rarely notices at first, but the engine does. Mechanics often see aging spark plugs create tiny combustion inconsistencies long before a misfire code appears. Fuel burn quality declines. Cylinder-to-cylinder balance changes, and the engine slowly drifts away from its original design. At first, the difference is microscopic, then measurable, then expensive. Section 3. The hidden chain reaction. Most owners think old spark plugs only affect the spark plugs. That is not how engines work. Everything is connected. When combustion quality declines, the engine computer begins making corrections. Fuel trims change, ignition timing changes, injector pulse width changes. The system starts compensating. Then, another component enters the story: the ignition coil. The ignition coil must generate enough voltage to jump the spark plug gap. As spark plug wear increases, that gap often becomes larger than intended. That means the coil works harder. Every ignition event requires more voltage, more effort, more stress. Over time, that additional workload accumulates. This is why mechanics often replace ignition coils shortly after finding severely overdue spark plugs. Not because the coils were defective from the beginning, because they spent years compensating. A customer arrives with rough idle concerns. Maybe a check engine light, maybe occasional hesitation. Inspection reveals spark plugs that should have been replaced 40,000 or 50,000 miles earlier. Then, one or more ignition coils have also started failing. Suddenly, a simple maintenance item becomes a larger repair, and the chain reaction does not stop there. Section 4. Carbon deposits begin forming. Incomplete combustion creates consequences. Not dramatic ones, gradual ones. When fuel does not burn as efficiently as intended, carbon deposits can accumulate faster. Inside combustion chambers, on piston crowns, around valves, throughout the exhaust system, the vehicle still runs, but internal cleanliness slowly declines. This is especially important in modern direct injection engines. Many modern engines already struggle with carbon accumulation over time. Poor combustion only accelerates the process. Mechanics often see carbon-related drivability complaints trace back to basic maintenance delays. Drivers focus on expensive solutions: carbon cleaning services, fuel system treatments, sensor replacement. Meanwhile, the root cause may have started years earlier with overdue spark plugs. That is why this small mistake can become expensive. Section 5. The fuel economy loss. Nobody notices. If fuel economy suddenly drops by 5 miles per gallon, most people notice. If it drops by half a mile per gallon every year, almost nobody notices. That is how many spark plug problems develop. Gradually, quietly, invisible to the average driver. As combustion efficiency declines, more fuel may be required to produce the same result. The engine continues operating, but not as efficiently. Drivers blame seasonal changes, traffic, weather, fuel quality, vehicle age. Very few suspect spark plugs. Yet mechanics routinely observe fuel economy improvements after replacing severely worn plugs. Not because new plugs create extra power, because they restore combustion efficiency the engine originally had. Aging spark plugs do not usually make an engine suddenly weak. They slowly take away efficiency until the driver forgets what normal felt like. And this is where things become expensive, because multiple systems are already compensating for a problem that could have been prevented. Section 6. The catalytic converter connection. The component most drivers never connect to spark plugs is the catalytic converter. But mechanics see this relationship all the time. When combustion becomes inconsistent, small amounts of unburned fuel can enter the exhaust system. At first, the amounts are tiny. The driver notices nothing. The engine still runs. But the catalytic converter is designed to process exhaust gases within a specific operating range. When excess fuel repeatedly enters the system, temperatures can rise. Efficiency can decline. Internal materials experience additional stress. This does not happen overnight, and that is why owners miss it. Years later, a catalytic converter efficiency code appears. The vehicle fails an emissions inspection. A repair estimate arrives. Suddenly, the owner faces a bill that may range from $800 to $3,000 or more, depending on the vehicle. Most people never connect that repair to years of overdue spark plug maintenance, but mechanics often do. The spark plugs were not always the entire cause, but they were part of a chain reaction that affected combustion quality. Section 7. The symptoms most owners ignore. Overdue spark plugs rarely announce themselves dramatically. They create symptoms that are easy to dismiss. A slightly rough idle, a little hesitation during acceleration, a cold morning start that takes a second longer, a small reduction in fuel economy, an occasional vibration at a stoplight, nothing severe, nothing urgent. So drivers blame something else: bad fuel, dirty injectors, old age, weather, transmission problems. Sometimes they replace parts that were never faulty. Mechanics often see owners spend hundreds of dollars chasing symptoms before inspecting the spark plugs. Sensors get replaced, coils get replaced, fuel system components get replaced. Then inspection reveals severely worn spark plugs sitting at the center of the problem. Most engines warn you before they fail. The problem is that those warnings are subtle, and subtle problems are easy to ignore until they are not. Section 8. What mechanics see in the shop. Technicians learn quickly that spark plug problems often hide behind other symptoms. A vehicle arrives with a misfire code. The owner expects a major repair. Inspection begins. The spark plugs are removed. Immediately, the story becomes visible. Electrodes worn beyond specification, excessive gap growth, heavy deposits, signs of years of extended use. Sometimes the plugs remained in service twice as long as recommended. The owner is shocked because the vehicle never seemed to have a serious problem. That is what makes this mistake so common. The engine adapts. The owner adapts. Everyone adapts, until the accumulated effects become impossible to ignore. Many of these repairs could have been prevented with routine maintenance costing far less than the damage that followed. Section 9. Repair costs nobody connects. To spark plugs, replacing. Spark plugs on many vehicles may cost anywhere from $100 to $500, depending on design and labor. Not insignificant, but manageable. Now compare that to repairs that can follow neglected ignition maintenance. Ignition coils can cost hundreds of dollars. A full set on certain vehicles can exceed $500 to $1,000 installed. Carbon cleaning services can range from several $100s to over $1,000. Catalytic converter replacement can reach several $1,000s. Lost fuel economy quietly drains money every week. Again, spark plugs are not always the only cause, but they can contribute to a chain of events that increases stress throughout the engine. Drivers often spend money fixing symptoms instead of causes. The mistake is not dramatic. No smoke, no explosion, no catastrophic failure, just years of gradual efficiency loss and additional wear. That is why this small maintenance item deserves more attention. Section 10. The correct fix. Preventing this problem is simple. Start by knowing your vehicle's recommended replacement interval. Not what the previous owner told you, not what a friend guessed. The actual manufacturer recommendation. Modern iridium and platinum spark plugs often last much longer than older copper plugs. But longer does not mean forever. Inspect them when appropriate. Replace them on schedule. Use the correct plug specification. Use the correct heat range. Follow proper installation procedures. Use proper torque specifications. Too loose can create problems. Too tight can create different problems. Attention to detail matters. A spark plug is small. Its influence is enormous. Experienced technicians take them seriously because combustion quality affects everything else. Healthy ignition supports smooth combustion. Smooth combustion supports efficiency. Efficiency supports reliability. Reliability supports long engine life. The mistake is not ignoring a warning light. The mistake is assuming spark plugs only matter when the engine stops running correctly. That is what most owners get wrong. They wait for obvious symptoms, but the real damage often develops before obvious symptoms arrive. The process usually looks like this. Spark plugs stay in service too long. The gap slowly increases. Combustion quality declines. Fuel trims begin compensating. Ignition coils work harder. Carbon deposits accumulate faster. Fuel economy decreases. Additional components experience stress. Years pass. Then repairs begin appearing. Not because everything failed one day, because the engine spent years operating below its intended combustion quality. That is why experienced mechanics pay attention to spark plugs long before problems become obvious. The most expensive spark plug mistake is not the one that causes an immediate breakdown. It is the one you do not notice for years. Spark plugs are not glamorous. Most drivers rarely think about them, yet few components have such a direct influence on combustion quality. Small maintenance matters. Combustion quality matters. Prevention matters. A healthy engine is not created by expensive parts. It is created by consistent maintenance. So now I want to hear from you. When was the last time you checked your spark plugs? Have you ever had a spark plug-related repair? And did you know this mistake could affect so many systems? Leave your answers in the comments. And if you enjoy realistic mechanic insights, hidden maintenance truths, and practical ways to protect your engine long-term, make sure to subscribe, because the best repairs are often the ones you never have to make in the first place.